Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're doing some creek fishing. Got this nice little deep pool over here. Got my sister. We got the man, the myth, the legend, Lincoln from, what was it? What did we call it? The fast-paced poppin'?
Yeah.
From Airsoft. Go check out that video if you haven't seen already. We're guaranteed to catch a fish in here. We already did a little bit of fishing. Caught a bass. He caught a creek chub. Yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe. I'll get you on the chesty, and let's get it going. I mean, that's what it's called. It's called the GoPro Chesty. They're all smiling at me. All right, let's get it on here. We've got this little grub for him. He already caught a creek chub on that.
Shiny tail.
I got a little bass earlier. Oops, on this little crawfish, and then we've got another itty bitty grub. But let's hop in the water, do some wading, and do some catching. Oh my gosh, it's pretty cold.
Hey, is it like...
It's not that bad.
Hey, stop, don't be too loud.
Oh,
It's pretty cold.
it's cold.
It's just not as cold as last.
Alright, let's try it. So what we want to do is, because it's still pretty deep right there, if we go wide, Amelia, go wide.
Yeah, and I thought we were going to do something.
Oh, it's cold.
Alright, stay right there and just cast.
I can't cast.
Oh, I'm waiting until I get numb. I want to get numb because it's so cold.
Watch out for the tree.
My rod is horrific.
Alright, first cast for me. Here we go.
Cold.
Oh, I already got a hit. No way. No way. Oh, I had one. Dang it. Oh, got him. Dang it. There's 3 right there.
They all bit at
They're all little creek chub and a bass and stuff.
That's where I keep hearing people.
Yeah. Alright, Lincoln, I just get on that side and cast and reel it over the top, and I guarantee you you'll smash them.
I can't even cast.
You get the higher ground.
Alright. Just so you guys know, creek chub are hated. So. Oh, got him. Dang it. Oh. There's like 4 creek chub right there. Cast, Amelia. You gotta get it out there.
I can't.
Here, let me cast for you.
Go
Switch
ahead.
me.
I will switch you first.
Just a second. Don't cast it.
Oh.
Big thing, my
Here we go. You're gonna get one. Watch this. First cast. Oh, you already got one. Oh, you already had one. Just wait. They're all on it. Oh, there's a bass, Lincoln. There's a bass. Cast it in there. Swim it. Oh, farther out, like right into the middle. Let it sink for like 2 seconds, and then...
Alright, there is people.
Will you cast it again?
Am I going to cross your line if I cast?
No, go ahead, Lincoln. This is it. Ah, get farther out. Come
I
on.
cannot hit this. I'm going to just go ahead and say Amelia's in my way.
Here. Just cast it as far back as you can.
Alright, actual cast time.
That's it. He's gonna get a fish, for sure. Just reel it nice and slow. You feeling any bites?
Yeah.
Come on. Hold true to what we said. First cast. Oh.
I got a ton of bites though.
Yeah, right. Let me cast this tangle out of my line.
Oh, my feet finally numb.
No, big tangle. And thanks for crossing. All right.
I suck bites.
No, I've got another big knot in mine.
I'm gonna make a forecast. Watch that again.
Go ahead. Oh, right on that. That's money.
Right?
Money.
The mud.
Might want to let it sink a little bit more. Yeah, now.
I can't shoot that though. I'll stop.
Might have to change this up.
I want to try bread.
Oh, I see the little bass. It's maybe a 1/4 pound.
Will you cast this again? Yeah.
Just a second.
No. It goes.
Oh, I got it.
Alright, a little bit too far past.
Big fun.
Surely.
Dang it, I can't cast this. I'm gonna have to tie this. Switch it up.
You're faking it out.
Sorry that we haven't caught a fish, guys.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. That's when you're on my face.
There you go. Let it sink a little bit. You're gonna get bites on the drop. Yeah, and then
I can't feel my legs. My legs. My legs.
Got one.
fish
Oh.
on. Oh, you got the bass.
Really?
Yeah,
Nice.
on camera.
Oh, he's big and small. He's big for a creek.
Big for a creek, yeah. I mean, for this.
I need to go over.
It's about the same size as mine, yeah.
Rod down.
Gotta get this on camera. Amelia, you should stay over here. Take casts.
I know, I'm gonna
Did you smash it?
What?
Did you smash it? A pretty hard bite.
Hook it nice. Alright. Let's get this out. There we go.
You wanna lip him, show him your
Hello there.
bass?
Yeah.
Right on that grub.
This
No.
spined me. I have bad memories of getting spined.
Oh, grab him quick. It's gonna wiggle.
Thank you, bro. Alright, here we go.
Nice. That was a little smaller than
Hello
mine.
there.
And yeah,
Bye.
give him
Have a
good
fish
release.
life.
Oh, there he goes. Back to there.
he-
Oh, he
he-
went under there.
Can't remember where his house is.
Yeah.
That's like me sometimes.
Alright, I'm gonna tie on something else real quick. Because I have this
I
big
caught the
tangle
bass.
in my line.
Satisfaction 1000.
Yeah, you're in the lead right now. 2 fish. So,
Oh.
gotta catch up. Tie on something else real quick.
Go ahead and make that, please.
Here, you wanna put on the GoPro real quick? Alright, it's gonna be a little bumpy for a second. But,
Deal with it.
yeah, watch out my craws over there, the purple thing here. I can
Hold
grab your rod.
Alright, I need to. Wait. Confusion 1000? Wait, which way does it go?
This way, your arm goes through right here.
Arm goes through here?
No, other arm.
This arm. This arm.
Yes, and then it goes around your back. Sorry, people that are watching, it's not a good view at all.
I haven't really ever worn a GoPro. Sorry. Alright, now you clip it.
There you go.
Boom.
Go catch him. My craw's right out there.
Hi. Alright. We're going out into this, like,
See my craw out right there?
yeah. You guys can see that too, right? Right down there. Alright. We're gonna go catch another bass really quick. Yeah, I think he pulled it in already. Alright. Gonna fix my bait. Alright, perfect. I think we're at the best spot we can be. Go ahead and take a cast. Oh, it's gonna be deep. Let it sink, and we go. Haven't felt a single bite. Alright. No bites that time, but we're fine. We'll get one. Oh, that's a good one. Surely. Surely we get one, right? Ooh. Oh, close, close, close. I can't find my bait. Oh, there it is. That was a bad cast. Whatever. We'll get one. Oh, we got one on the worst cast. No, it's a rock. Never mind. What? No, I got a good, nice, chunky sized rock, and I thought I had gotten a fish. Looks like you have a bobber. All right, watch out. I'm gonna chuck it on the rock, off the rock, backboard. 100% on purpose. I gotta reel faster so it doesn't hit the bottom this time.
I think I need to skip my bobber.
Oh, that's a good cast. Let's sink for a second, and we gone. Oh, rocks, 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 rocks. I haven't had a single bite since the bass, but it doesn't matter. Alright, I'm gonna wait. I might cross her. Oh, good cast, good cast. We let it sink, and we going. Not yet. That tail wiggles so much. It's perfect.
biting my
Got a bite. Oh, into rock. Congratulations.
Achievement unlocked.
Alright, let's see if I can find it. I think it is gonna have
Wait,
to be
pull it up.
up and around, up and around, up and
No,
around.
try and walk that way. Real quick, I
Yeah.
want to show the GoPro what I'm throwing. Throwing
Oh.
just a little, like, bitsy minnow kind of thing.
Alright, now we're gonna go get our rock. Ooh, he's a big one. No, I'm just kidding. I can't even see the bait. Oh, it is a big rock. I did get caught on a big rock. I got caught on like the biggest rock. And I got it. Alright, see, even when we catch rocks, they're still the biggest rocks.
All the biggest.
Only the good ones. Oh. My feet finally numbed, now I'm not hurting.
Oh, I think I just got it right.
I'm gonna cast like straight, like this.
Yeah. There's a tree back there, so be careful.
Alright, I'm gonna slowly pull. Felt like I had something.
Probably.
Oh, I got a small bite, small bite, small bite. Another big. Oh, come on. Alright, see, I know those were fish because they were actually wiggling. They were wiggling that bait.
I'm going to have to tie on the grub, too.
Alright, here we go, here we go. And we didn't even cross each other. Perfect. I'm gonna kind of like bring it higher so I don't get caught on rocks this time. Got a bite? Oh, never mind.
You're gonna smack me with your rod.
Here, wait, I'm going to cast back where you were casting up. Whoa,
Yeah.
no, that's exactly where I wanted
Hey,
it.
I went backboard off the rock and I still almost caught one.
Alright, you can cross me because I'm sinking.
Alright. Oh, God cast.
Perfect. Reel it in a tiny bit. When you feel a bite, I'd let it drop. I'm just watching your rod dance.
Alright, come on. Oh, it got a little bit. Alright, let's drop it in a second. Oh, those are rocks. Those are not fish. It's very muddy.
There we go. This is the cast.
Hey, you guys can see Eli too, right? Yeah. It's a little bit close to the rock, but it's fine. We'll make it work.
I would adjust like how deep you're fishing it too. 'Cause you might be deeper.
I just get caught in a lot of rocks when I go too deep.
Yeah. Oh, was that a bite?
No, it's a rock.
Or you could pop it too, like pop, pop.
Maybe I'll try that. I think that's how I caught. Yeah, that's how I caught the other bass. All right, where's your line? Oh, there it is. All right, never mind. Bingo. Kind of jiggle along.
Whatever you think's gonna work.
Kind of like popping it a little bit. Oh. Bite? I had a bite. I swear that was a
I
bite.
saw the fish on it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tie on something different because this is way wet.
I think it's a bit of a big bait for this area.
Well, I caught all, like, I went here yesterday and I was catching a bunch of them on this. You can catch.
Yeah. Alright. I think I'm going to keep trying that jigging. It worked a little bit better. More stupid rocks. I swear, these rocks are so obnoxious.
How many minutes has it been filmed?
I'm not sure.
It'll say on there. You can, oh, it's fine. I got it. I'll check. You can catch.
Hey there. Alright. No. Oh my gosh.
Hold it.
Wanna jig it? No way, I already got something.
I'm just seeing how much time. 14 minutes. We'll probably turn it off.
Long video.
Yeah.
You guys better be eating something.
Eating nice, delicious bass.
Yeah, a seafood restaurant.
Ooh.
Rock.
rock.
Gosh dang it.
I'll get it for you. Well, Great end of the video.
Yeah, we got 2 rocks and 2
Give me a
fish. 2 rocks and 2 fish.
I don't see it. Oh, there you go. Pop right out.
Alright, perfect. 2 rocks and 2 fish. I think that's a good, little ratio.
I'm gonna have to change this up. I think we'll do a couple more casts and then we'll end it.
Yes. Alright, I'm taking this is gonna be my last cast for the video probably. Whip.
Better make it count.
Yes.
Make it count.
I'm gonna jig it and then pull it for half the way. Let it sink a little bit, jig it some more.
Ice fish it.
Okay.
The technique is flawless.
Technique.
Alright. Want to give him the outro? Want to give him the outro? Or no, I'll just go close the outro.
That's my outro.
Thanks for watching the video. Catch you guys next time with Tactical Outdoors.
Peace.
Like, subscribe.
You already said that.
Check out this video. It should be somewhere around right here. Subscribe somewhere around right here. Catch you guys next time.